Hi traders, you're welcome back once again to the Bullish Bear FX Academy. My name is Tim Legend. I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. So you're welcome back once again to the 2024/2025 trading syllabus. Here in this channel, our goal is to teach you a whole lot you need to know and probably everything you need to know about trading from start to finish till you become a professional in this. And the goal is we want to take you guys step by step until we make sure that you are good in the trading industry. So what you want to do in case it is your first time here is to hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and please, as a way to show the support and as a way to show that indeed you appreciate our efforts and what we're doing in this channel, make sure to hit the like button. And at the course of the video, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop them on the comment section, because based on your question, I will understand where you need more explanation and know how to teach you more even in subsequent videos. All right, so make sure you engage in the comment section. So let's get into the main video. All right, so I believe you guys now understood what I meant by trading markets during their sessions to prevent huge spread like this. Okay, so this is another screenshot. Now these are sometimes when you want to take trades, okay, you might likely want to look at your quotes, all right, in order for you to see what is the spread amount. Now for instance, here you can see we have Euro USD currently at 41 spread, GBP USD currently at 72 spread. All right, this one USD CHF as at 29 spread, USD JPY at 49, USD CAD at 300 spread. That is a very, very, very wide spread. Nobody should touch that. Okay, nobody should touch that. Okay, RZ USD 47, RZ NZD 73. Okay, so these are a little somewhere you can just come sometimes if maybe you're confused on the market session, or maybe you made an analysis and the analysis is finally about to get into your key level to take an entry, but you're not sure, is this the right time to take this trade, or you're trying to focus on your account size to know if your account size can really carry this trade. So you might likely want to come here and look at what the spread looks like, okay, to know if it's really worth taking. So when you see this kind of amount of spreads, don't touch it. You don't touch it. It's dangerous. 189, you don't touch it. Even 64 is still high. All right, even 64 is still high. 747 is still high. 29 could be manageable, right? But if you see anything lower than 20, right, you can always go for it. So knowing your market session is very, very crucial as a trader. Very, very, very crucial as a trader. So right here we have, I found this website, forex.timezoneconverter.com. Okay, you can actually use it to check out your market sessions, right? But I sent you guys a photo sometime, which I don't know if you guys had downloaded that photo. Let me see. Okay, all right. So here we have trading view for your mobile. You have position sizing to calculate your pips. We have my FX book. I will tell you guys what you need this for later. Forex price alerts. I think I told you guys what you use this for. Okay, when you analyze your markets and you have a particular zone you want to look out for to take your entry, but price hasn't gotten to it yet. What you just do is you use the forex price alerts to set an alert on the particular price. So when price gets to it, your alert will ring on your phone, letting you know that hey, it's time to get into your chart and check out something. Okay, so MT5, everybody knows that. So we have the FXRs. So the FXR is also it helps you know the times when sessions are currently on. Okay, the times when sessions are currently on. And then the FX streets, you use it also, is also like FX book. You use it to read market news. Okay, you use it to read market news. Okay, so just try download most of these apps, even the forex hours. Okay, until when you're used to your forex hours, then you can delete the app. Probably you might not need it because you know the time when you want to trade whatever you want to trade. But that's the same thing for this website also. So this website, you use it to know the current markets that are on. For currently now, right now, you can see all the markets here are closed. Okay, so this is actually not a good time to trade any of the market. That's why those spreads are on the high side, which I showed you guys. All right, that's why all the spreads are currently on the high side. See, all of them are currently on the high side. Okay, because all the markets currently are closed. Not that it's closed in the sense that price is not moving, price is still moving, but because many traders are currently taking a nap, or some are about to wake up. Okay, so that is why markets are currently closed. So if you see market close like this in a weekday, it doesn't mean price is not moving. It just means that there's no liquidity. The people to pump in liquidity are currently asleep or just yet to wake up. So for the Frankfurt, Germany, that's the Europe. Okay, they open 6 a.m. they close 2 p.m. But we don't really trade this particular session because whatever makes that is just there. But we don't trade this session because it's not popular. The main sessions we trade mostly is the London session, the New York session, and the Asian session. Okay, then some people trade the Sydney session. Okay, so with the London session, that's where you have the euros and GBPs. Okay, you have the euros, you have the GBPs. Okay, so the session usually opens 7 a.m. 7 a.m. And closes 3 p.m. 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. The New York session, where you have the Americans, that's the US dollars. Okay, more of US dollars. Anything pairing with US dollar, be it Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD, anything that you have. Okay, you have that too. The session usually opens 12 p.m., closes 8 a.m. Actually, I have set this to, okay, let me see, Europe slash London. Uh, okay, let me set it according to Nigerian timing. Okay, no wonder it was confusing me a bit. Okay. All right, no wonder it was confusing me a bit because I knew this wasn't my time. All right, so I have just actually set it to Europe, London, because Nigerians share time with London when it comes to time zone. Okay, so this is actually the correct time for Nigerian. So you want to check out the country you are currently and then look out for your time zone and set it up here for you to be able to really know what is the right time session for your country. Okay, so currently here in Nigeria, because you can see currently the time is 10:50 p.m., which is correct in Nigerian time. Okay, so it means I'm correct. So London session officially opens 8 a.m., closes 4 p.m. So you might likely want to put that down on your notes so that you can always remember that later. For London sessions, when you trade the GBPs or the euros, okay, you only want to look forward to trading or looking for your entries or setups 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. For the New York sessions, when you want to trade the US dollars, okay, you only want to start looking out for entries from 1 p.m. probably, let's say 1:30 p.m. because you could just give them 30 minutes to wake up more. All right, from 1:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. That's when the US dollars do their normal activities. Then for the Sydney session, where you trade the Aussie, that's the Australian dollars, and okay, you can look forward to trading them 11 p.m. to 7 p.m. All right. Then when you want to trade JPY, the Asian currencies, that's the JPY. Okay, you want to look out for them at around 12 a.m. in the midnight for Nigerians to 8 a.m. Okay, so right now you just get to understand something that the London session open 8 a.m. closes 4 p.m. Okay, now why they are currently about closing the 4 p.m. Okay, why the London session is still on, the US session would be waking up. Okay, they would be waking up around the 1 p.m. Okay, so London session will have to close 4, and then US dollars the US session will close like about 5 hours after London session. Okay, 5 hours after London session, the Aussie will then open 11 p.m. 11 p.m. That is uh in the midnights. Okay, that's nights. Okay, closing 7 a.m. Now you get notice that as they are closing, as they're about to close, London session is about to open. Okay, as they're about to close, London session is about to open. For JPY is 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. As they are about closing, London session is already opening. Okay, so this is how they work hand in hand. So right now, currently, all the markets in liquidities are closed. So if you want to trade any other thing today, you've got to wait for at least 11 p.m. 12 a.m. I mean to say. Okay, we have 11 p.m. here, or you can just give them time to 11:30 p.m. for them to open the session. So you notice that once 11 p.m. clicks here and this page refreshes, you might likely see here open. Okay, so I'll drop the website link in the group in case anybody needs it. Okay, in case if anybody needs it to be able to check out their own time zones. All right. So that is that. For that, you always want to take note of your trading hours. So as a trader, the thing you want to ask yourself is, because I want everybody to go back after tonight's class, you just go back and sit down and ask yourself, which pair do I really want to trade best? Okay, because there are a lot of pairs to trade, but you must not trade all the pairs so you don't get yourself confused about your trades. Okay, you can decide to select just 4 pairs that you love to be trading. Some people trade just one pair and they make a whole lot of money from the markets. All they just do is to analyze the market. Any day their setup is met and they smash their entry, all right, they make sure they try their best to find their entry. Once they find their entry, boom, they cash out what they want to cash out for the day or for the week. You get it? So you can decide to trade just 2 or 3 pairs or 4 pairs. You mustn't trade all the pairs. Okay, so just go and think about which pair do you really want to trade. Then if you're trying to select a pair to trade, you want to also make sure you're considering the time zone of that pair. It has to be during the daytime when you know you're fully awake. Okay, unless you're the type of person who wants to be trading in the midnight, then you want to be looking out for things like JPY pairs. Okay, but as Nigerians, we're already worked up during the day, so why be awake at night? So just look for pairs that you love to trade according to the time that you love. It's very important. So that's that for your market sessions. Okay, that's that for your market sessions.